Find the deep water wave period T0 in seconds. In this problem, we are provided the wind velocity in the x direction, UA, as well as the length of the fetch, F, and the duration of time, D, that the wind is acting upon the given fetch length. For this problem, we will also need to utilize a nomograph to determine the period T. To solve for the period, we first need to determine the nature of the storm, whether it is a fetch-limited storm, or it is a duration-limited storm, or if it is a fully developed storm. We'll first check if the storm is a fetch-limited storm by analyzing the wind velocity UA and the duration of time D. We'll look at the nomograph for deep water waves in English units and find the intersection of 40 miles per hour wind speed and 15-hour duration. Then we'll trace down to the fetch length axis, and the fetch length equals 180 miles. This means that there needs to be at least 180 miles of fetch length for this storm to be fully developed. But since there is only 30 miles of fetch length, the storm is considered fetch limited. Since we know the storm is fetch limited, we know the duration of time it will take the wave to reach its maximum height will be less than the 15-hour duration of the storm. Therefore, we will use the wind speed of 40 miles per hour and a fetch length of 30 miles to determine the characteristics of this fetch-limited deep water wave. After plotting these values on the nomograph, the intersecting point corresponds to a duration of approximately 4.6 hours, which is less than the 15 hours as we suspected. The nomograph also provides data for the wave height in feet as well as the wave period in seconds. The wave height for the storm equals 6.6 feet and the deep water period equals 5.9 seconds, which is the value we want to determine. When reviewing the possible solutions, the correct answer is A.